Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Beautiful sunny Levante Beach today. It's a gorgeous hot sunny day. Where are you watching from today and what are you up to? We've got player accessibles there. An accessible area if you're disabled. You can go down on your mobility scooter, take wheelchairs down, they'll get you a chair, you can sit, you can even go into the sea. They have like these float things that you can actually go on and they'll actually take you out into the sea if you're disabled. Absolutely fantastic. And a lovely idea, so nobody needs to miss out on anything. Have I tried it yet? No. I have been and sat on the accessible area, and I've been to the one the other end, just on Promenade Beach, where they have some little chairs out in the sea. You can go and sit, dip your feet. There's like a little railing you can hold on to so you can walk out a bit into the sea and dip your feet. Fantastic idea. But I haven't actually been on the floatable things that go out into the sea yet. Because yeah, I'm a coward and I'm not that brave. Say no more. So where are you watching from today? What part of the world are you in? Is it as beautiful and as sunny as it is here in beautiful Benidorm? And you know, they say that Benidorm is quiet. No, it's not, guys. You can see there's quite a few on the beach. The bar. What's your favourite pastime on a sunny day when you come to Benidorm? Do you like to find a bar and just sit in the bar? And if you like to sit in the bar, do you prefer to be in the shade or sat out on the terrace? Nice smell of weed. Or yeah, be sat out on the sunny terrace? Or do you prefer the shade? Or do you like to go and sit on the beach and sunbathe, go in the sea? Or maybe you just like to lie around the pool at the hotel? Or do you like to be doing stuff? Do you like to be walking and exploring? Maybe having some tapas? What's your favourite pastime? And do you like to go for an evening stroll? A couple of nice quiet drinks? And then back to the hotel for a few drinks on the balcony? Thanks for watching the video, guys. Hit the like, hit the share and hit that subscribe button, and I will see you on the next one.